Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Primary Math Concept with Teacher Ben. So for today, we will be doing P6 Tao Nan SA1 2021 Paper 2, Question 16. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's first integrate the question. So let me just underline the keywords. So a rectangular block A with a volume of 8,424 cm cubed was cut along dotted line into two smaller blocks. We have a block B. Please take note that block B is a cube, and also block C, which is a cuboid. Okay, so the volume of block B is 3,240 cm cubed more than block C. So they want you to find the length of block B and also find the height of block C. Now, by interpreting the question, right, since they want us to find the length and height of a cube and a cuboid. So we know that the concept here, right, will be under P6 volume. Okay, for P6 volume, usually what they want us to do is to find square root or cube root of a shape. If it's a volume, then we do a cube root, usually when we handle cubes. Then they also want us to find height, means that we have to manipulate the volume formula that we learned in P5, which is volume is equal to length times breadth times height. So they will ask us to find one of the dimension. So when finding one of the dimension, we have to manipulate the equation, or we have to do division calculation when we find one of the dimension. So let's start implement the steps. So we know that the volume of block B is 3,240 cm cubed more than block C. And from the diagram, you know that from the block A, it was cut here so that you will form block B and block C. So what I'll do is I'll draw a model to see the relationship. So for block B will be more, so I draw a longer uh, rectangle. Then the difference, which is here, will be 3,240. Okay, cm cube, and the total must be equal to the volume of block A, which is 8,424. Okay, so the question requires us to find uh, the length of block B. So before that, we need to find what is the volume of block B. So to find the volume of block B, what I will do is I will extend uh, the volume of block C to here so that we have equal volume. So let me use another color to represent. So I'm going to extend to here. So in order to extend, what I do is I take 8,424. I do an addition of 3,240. So this will give me 11664. Okay, so this is actually the volume of 2B, basically two blocks B. So to get the volume of one block B, I will just take 11664 and I divide by 2. So this will give me 5,832. So this is actually one block B. Okay, to get the length of block B, and we know that B, right, is a cube, right? So to get the length, what we do is do a function cube root. Now this is P6 volume. So we use our calculator function to cube root, and from here you will get 18. So this means that you will get 18 cm, which is the length of block B. So what is this function? This function is basically doing something times something times something. That will give me 5832. So this will be the same number. So this will be like length and length and length. So when you press your calculator, this will actually give you the answer for the individual lengths. Okay, so this will be the answer for your part A. So let's find out for part B. Now to get the height of block C, we need to first have the volume of block C. So what we can do is we can take 5832, which is the volume of block B. We minus away 3,240. So this will give me 2,592. So this will be one block C. Now we from this diagram here, we know that the base area of our block C is the same as the base area of our block B. So we can actually calculate what is the base area. So base area of C will be equal to length times length. So will be 18 times 18 because this is actually 18 by 18 by 18. Okay, so this will give me 3, 2, 4. This is in area, base area. So to get the height of C, we just need to take the volume of block C divided by the base area of block C. So this will give me 8 cm. Okay, so let me just explain to you what I'm doing here. So as I mentioned earlier, the volume is equal to length times base times height, right? So length times base here, right, is actually giving us the base area. The base area. Now because now we know the volume of block C, and we also know the base area of block C. So to get height, we just simply taking volume divided by base area to get the height of block C. So this will be the answer for part B. Then while doing this, please remember to check your answer so that it makes sense. So please ensure that your calculation, you don't make any careless mistake. And also when you transfer the number, so all these number that you are using, they are actually correct. Okay, so with this, that will be the end of the presentation for this question. So don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also hit the notification bell button so that you will get update of our latest video. Also follow us on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. So with this, that will be the end of the presentation. Please share any question that you have with us. We will do our best to actually to reply you or even come out with video on any question that you want us to present. So that's all for today. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.